This tutorial review will show you how to copy a Discord server or duplicate your own Discord server. So first of all, open your Discord and open your server, which server you want to copy, and then click on the server name. Go to server settings. Here click on server template and give here a template title, and you can add a description here. Then click on generate template, and now click on preview template, click on create, close the panel, and as you can see, the server has been successfully duplicated. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.